Good morning, everyone. In our last video, we have seen what Industry 1.0 and in the Industry 2.0 is. Okay, the overall term we call it as Industry Revolution. So, in that Industry 1.0 is a craft-based industry, and that's where the steam engine is uh, invented. And Industry 2.0, we have to consider that electricity was implemented in the manufacturing units, and also the term mass production was uh, increased, and the term was also invented in the Industry 2.0. Okay, in today's video we are going to see the Industry 3.0 and the overall of Industry 4.0. Okay, so in this animation we can see that there is a robot arm, okay, which is likely to be a soldering or welding tool, which was totally controlled over by a single person using a computer. Okay, this is what the Industry 3.0 is. Okay, in simple term we call Industry 3.0 as a digital revolution. Okay, this is where when we use computers in our manufacturing unit. The third industry revolution, often called the digital revolution, involved the integration of computers and automation into manufacturing process. Okay, the term automation was implemented in manufacturing unit uh, in Industry 3.0, and the era saw the rise of information technology, electronics, and the automation of production lines. Okay, so this is what Industry 3.0 is. Okay, so overall, in when it comes to Industry 3.0, we have to understand that it's a integration of computers and automation. Okay, the term automation, robotics, and everything came into the effect in the era of Industry 3.0. Next, this is where we are, which we call it as Industry 4.0, the present, and which is also the future. Okay, so in this animation you can see a robot arm which is controlled by the means of a remote, right? You can see that a worker is holding remote and controlling the two robots, and she also wear a glass, okay, which is VR, and also the robot was controlled by the means of some network. Okay, you can see that clearly, which we can call it as IoT. Okay, so in Industry 4.0 there are a lot of technologies plays the role, and each and every technologies is important for Industry 4.0. Okay, the fourth industry revolution represents the current era, characterized by the fusion of physical system with digital technologies. Okay, simply the internet, IoT, AI, and data analytics and ML, all these technologies plays a major role in the Industry 4.0. Okay, it aims to create smart factories which highly interconnected and adaptive systems, enabling more efficient and flexible production. Okay, so simply this is what Industry 4.0 is. Okay, so we have to understand it. In order to understand it very clearly, uh, if in today manufacturing system, uh, what if it's a smart factories? Okay, smart factories means which have the ability to think itself, and the work will be executed by itself. Okay, without any concern of our humans or any interaction from us. Okay, so this is what Industry 4.0 is. Okay, so in simple we have to remember that smart factories is the major role of Industry 4.0 by the means of all the technology, majorly we call IoT, ML, AI, and data analytics. Okay, each of these industries revolution brought significant changes in how goods are produced, impacting economies, societies, and the nature of work. Okay, so Industry 4.0 is marked by an emphasis on automation, data-driven decision making, and the focus on sustainability and customization. Okay, so this is the overall view of industry revolution, and in our next video we can see the detail industry 4.0. Okay, thank you.